Good morning everyone. I am Priyanka Kulsundar, Assistant Professor IT Department. In my previous video, we discussed about logic family, classification of logic family, then characteristics of digital integrated circuit. Also we discussed TTL logic and its subfamily. In that we discussed tree state, open collector and use of totem polo. Okay, and in this video we discuss about operation of two input TTL NAND gate with the help of totem polo type. Firstly, we discuss truth table of two input NAND gate. In this figure, A and B, both two are inputs and C is nothing but the output. Now the Boolean expression of NAND gate is that A dot B bar. Okay, A dot B bar. Now, what will happen in truth table? NAND gate gives high output. NAND gate gives high output when any of input is low. If the input is low, NAND gate gives high output. NAND gate gives high output. Always remember that NAND gate gives high output when any of input is low. Okay. Otherwise, the output of NAND gate is low. Here, output is low. It means when both inputs are high. Okay. Now we discuss structure diagram of two input NAND gate, TTL NAND gate. It is divided into three stages. First stage is input stage, second stage is phase splitter stage, and third stage is output stage. Input, phase splitter and output stage. Okay. Now first we discuss input stage. It consists of NPN transistor Q1 with two emitter as an input. These two emitter as an input. Here input is A and B. Okay. For example, Q1 is a multiple emitter transistor. This Q1 is a multiple emitter transistor. So the number of input terminal will be equal to number of input NAND gate. Now second stage is phase splitter stage. It consists of Q2 transistor and this Q2 act as a phase splitter stage. Okay. And the collector terminal of Q2 is connected to the base of Q3. Q2 is connected to base of Q3 and the emitter terminal of Q2 is connected to the base terminal of Q4. Q2 its emitter terminal is connected to the Q4. Hence, Q2 provide the base voltage. This Q2 provide the base voltage to Q3 and Q4. So, if Q2 provide the logic 0, to Q3, then it will provide logic 1 to Q4 and vice versa. Okay. Now the third stage is output stage. This stage consists of Q3 and Q4 transistor and diode D1. Okay. And the arrangement of transistor Q3 and transistor Q4 is called as totem polo arrangement. Okay. The diode D1 ensures that either transistor Q3 and Q4 will be on state. Okay. Both Q3 and Q4 do not connect simultaneously. This is the structure diagram of two input TTL NAND gate. Now, the diode equivalent for transistor Q1. This diode is equivalent for transistor Q1 as shown in figure. Okay. And A and B are input and the diode D2 and D3. This input and diode D2 and D3 are base emitter junction. This is base emitter junction. And D4 is a collector base junction. It is a base emitter junction and it is a collector base junction. So, if any of input is low or both are low, in this case the diode D1 and D3 become forward bias. Diode D1 and D3 become a forward bias and diode D4 become reverse bias. This diode D4 become reverse bias. Okay, D1 and D3, D1 and D3 become a forward bias and D4 become a reverse bias. And the Q1 is in on state. This Q1 is in on state. This is the structure diagram of diode equivalent for Q1 resistor. Got it? Now we discuss how to perform operation on two input TTL NAND gate. Case 1. When A equal to 0, B equal to 0, or A equal to 0, B equal to 1, or A equal to 1 and B equal to 0. Either A or B both are in low state. A and B both are low. In this case, A equal to 0, B equal to 0, A equal to 1, B equal to 0, and A equal to 0, B equal to 1. And the base emitter junction of Q1 is forward bias and collector base junction is in reverse bias, because the current flow ground through the emitter of Q1, and the base voltage of Q1 will be always 0.7 voltage. Okay, and the base emitter junction Q2, this junction Q2 will not be in forward bias because Q3 will be in off state. And Q4, this Q4 will also in off state, as it does not get any base drive. Okay, and transistor Q2 will be in off stage. All the current flow into the base of transistor Q3, the current flow through Q3, and the base emitter junction of Q3 will be forward bias and collector base junction will be reverse bias. Q3 in forward bias and collector base in reverse bias, because Q3 will be in on state and Q3 act as a emitter follower producing output, that is Y equal to 1. It means high state. Okay. Now the second case is when A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. When both the input are high, it means 1 and 1. A equal to 1, B equal to 1. The base emitter junction Q1 is in reverse bias. Okay. So no current flow will emitter of Q1. No current flow. It means Q1 is off. The collector base junction of Q1 is a forward bias. So current flow from R1 to the base of Q2. And the emitter base junction of Q2 is forward bias. For example, Q2 is on. And the collector current from Q2 that flow through the R2. Q2 flow to R2. It is a base of Q3. Q2 flow to the R2. It is a base of Q3. And the base emitter junction of Q3 will not be in forward bias. Okay. And Q3 will be in off state. Because of this reason, Q3 will be in off state. The emitter current from Q2 that flow through the base of Q4 and the base emitter junction Q4 is a forward bias. So Q4 is in on state. And the transistor Q4 that goes into saturation producing output, that is Y equal to 0. It means it is in low state. So from case 1 and case 2, we can see that the logic circuits operate as a two-input TTL NAND gate. Also, truth table verify the case 1 and case 2. Now we discuss TTL 5400 and 7400 series. In 5400 and 7400 integrated circuit was designed standard for TTL, okay, and 74L or 54L for low power TTL and 74H or 54H for the high power TTL. And the operational temperature range of 5400 series is from minus 55 degrees Celsius to plus 125 degrees Celsius. Operational range for 5400, and the operational range for the 7400 series is nothing but the 0 degree Celsius to 70 degree Celsius. Okay, and 5400 series, that is allow for wide range of voltage supply and temperature, and it is used for military grade, and the supply voltage range is from 4.5 voltage to 5.5 voltage for the 5400 series, and the 7400 series is better than 5400 original series because the operational temperature range is 0 degree Celsius to 7 degree Celsius, and it is developed by Texas Instrument, and the 7400 series voltage supply range from 4.75 to 5.25 voltage. This question asked in university exam. In this video, we discuss about the 2-input TTL NAND gate and the TTL 5400 and 7400 series. Hope so everyone understand the concept. Thank you so much. Keep practicing.